Inflation is often described as a silent wealth eroder, quietly diminishing the purchasing power of your hard-earned money. It's a constant threat to financial stability, and if you're not taking action, your wealth remains vulnerable. The impact of inflation is real and happening right now. As prices rise, the value of your money decreases, making it crucial to find strategies to inflation-proof your wealth. So, what can you do to protect your finances from this economic phenomenon? Rising inflation can be a nightmare for savers and investors alike. As prices increase, it's like watching your savings shrink before your eyes. For those living on a fixed income, inflation can be especially brutal, as your money doesn't stretch as far as it once did. The longer inflation persists, the more it erodes your purchasing power. Even traditionally strong investments, like stocks, can suffer during high inflation periods. It's essential to be proactive and not just hope inflation will disappear. One of the most effective strategies to combat inflation is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can mitigate the impact of inflation. If one investment suffers due to inflation, others might balance it out. Diversification is a key component of a robust financial strategy, helping to shield your wealth from the unpredictable nature of inflation. It's about creating a balanced portfolio that can withstand economic fluctuations. Real estate is often considered a reliable hedge against inflation. As prices rise, so can the value of your property, providing a buffer against inflation's effects. Investing in real estate can offer both capital appreciation and rental income, which can keep pace with inflation. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties directly. They provide a steady income stream, making them an attractive option for inflation-proofing your wealth. Another strategy is to invest in inflation-protected securities. These financial instruments are designed to keep pace with inflation, ensuring your purchasing power remains intact. They offer a smart way to safeguard your investments against inflation's bite. By incorporating these securities into your portfolio, you can create a financial cushion that adjusts with inflation, providing peace of mind and financial stability. It's a proactive approach to maintaining your wealth's value over time. Commodities like gold often perform well during inflationary periods, making them a valuable addition to your investment strategy. Gold has historically been a safe haven during economic uncertainty. Additionally, investing in assets that generate passive income is a standout strategy. This ensures a steady income stream that keeps pace with inflation. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a prime example, offering the benefits of real estate investment without direct management responsibilities. To protect your wealth from inflation, a proactive approach is essential. Diversify your investments, consider real estate, and explore inflation-protected securities. These strategies can help safeguard your financial health and preserve your wealth. Data shows that investors who take a proactive approach to inflation-proofing their wealth tend to perform better over the long term. Have you had to adjust your investment strategy due to inflation? Share your experiences in the comments below and explore more tips on smart investing in our other videos.